Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Denaria. I like to make slime sometimes. I'm a little bit of a noob and I love slime. Ooh, that's so bright, but so dark on my screen. Okay, so today I mixed some slime in. And I'm going to be mixing them all together. So I'm sorry that I did the slime without you guys. It's just that my recent video that I did, and then I just deleted it because I was like, no. So right now I am just watching some DAM slime challenge. So I'm gonna mix it in. I kind of added some.
I'm so tired. I know, same. I was just about to start mixing my glue. There's literally nothing in here. What is wrong with me? Butter slime is super simple.
Oh my gosh.
So all you have to do for the beginning
is
just mix in the glue and the laundry detergent. You don't
Look at this.
You're gonna want to add a lot of shaving cream, but not too much. Because if it's too much, then it gets like stretchy. So. Oh my gosh, you're gonna literally. See, I'm like a little step ahead of Mia just because. Better catch up. Oh, this is like my favorite part of slime, like getting to see the transition. I know. Same.
Okay.
I think that's good for laundry.
So when I snap my finger, it's gonna transition. This slime is going to transition into a new mix. Like all of it will be mixed in, and we will be doing that right now. Oh, it didn't work. Let me try it again.
I've heard that slime is supposed to be like cursed at 3 a.m., which is, I like to get a bunch of lotion.
Okay, so my slime is right here. As you can see, it's mixed in. This part isn't, but that's kind of fine.
Mia's is almost done, but except for me, she's already done because she's like an expert. Like literally go to her channel, she has so many slime videos. So
okay, so this is my slime, and like it's on the floor too, and I'm just like,
just because like gray and blue, it doesn't make that like a blue
hey.
or maybe just like a really ugly color.
And like
What's gonna happen?
it's unsticky, so like gotta take these out. So this is the aftermath. This like this.
Literally, we're dying of tiredness, and they're just like partying. Like, how on earth?
See, look how hard.
I'm gonna make like a light purple. That's gonna be really pretty, super butter. So I'm gonna add in a little more this model magic, and I'm gonna add some lotion.
I think this is history. And look at all these. But anyways guys, that was it for my video, and comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe and smash that like button. If you don't like it, smash that like button anyways. That dislike button is nowhere to be found. And y'all, it's every day, bro. Low game colors. Peace.